Hello and welcome back to Marcel Soaps, and this is grape marble soap making video. This design has been on my mind for a long time. I wanted to make a soap that has tiny grapes and some leaves. This is for the base soap, and I initially planned to make the base soap blue, but I've checked my soap shelves and found out that I had a lot of blue soaps. So I thought, why don't I make a purple marble soap? I know there are some marble soaps, but I haven't seen any purple marble soap. And I don't think that marble soap design with the purple color are very common. So after dividing the batch into two, I add purple mica. I wish I could have a better shot of the pouring because I know a lot of you love watching the pouring part. But I don't know, the camera angle was not right, so I couldn't capture a decent video shot. I also enjoy watching that particular parts when I watch other soap makers' videos. So here I am making grapes. I recently got a new extruder and this one works really great. I made lots of great pieces and surprisingly, I used all of them. When you're making soap embeds, it's always better to make extra pieces. And this green soap dough will become leaves. First, I add cornstarch so the soap doesn't get sticky as I roll it. And then I got a leaf cutter that looks quite alright for the grape leaves. Also, I took a part of this plunger cutter and pressed on the leaf to make an imprint onto the shape. And you can put the cutter back together to use it normally. It's not broken. After then, I extrude a very fine line to make the vine. I think this is one of the things I didn't plan at first, but as I made the grapes, I realized that the grapes have vines, and I thought it might be better if I add some of them onto the soap. Since the grapevines have a very special look, so I attempt to make it with my needle tool. After cutting the soap, I bevel the top of the soap. This beveler is amazing. I've got this a while ago, but I didn't have a chance to use it. I'll put the link down below so you can check for yourself. And here I put the grapes on the top of the soap. I could simply put the grapes while the soap was not fully firmed, but as I said, I really wanted to use the beveler, and it's really hard to use it when the surface is not flat. And I wanted to add the grapes on the side of the soap as well, so here I put the grape pieces one by one. Both of the base soap and the grape pieces were dried, so I added some water to glue them together. It was hard to put the grape pieces one by one, but it really looks real, so I'm very glad I did. Also, I colored the grapes with the mica. I could simply make the grape pieces purple, but I wanted the grapes to look shiny and glossy. So I mixed a little bit of water and the mica and then colored them. After the mica is dried, I added vines and leaves to give a more realistic look. I really love how the purple marble of the base soap matches the grapes. Also, the green leaves and the vines are popping on the purple color, so I really enjoyed making the soap. So this is the final product. I'm very happy with the looks of the soap. It is exactly what I imagined. And thank you so much for watching the video, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos. I'll see you next time. Bye.